Okay, so we've got an art display that consists of n marbles. So I'll just put the marbles here, 1, 2, 3, and we go all the way up to n times. So we've got n of these here. Okay. So the first marble is 10 grams. I can see that here. And then each marble is 3 grams more than the previous one up until the last one there. So 7 plus 3R. So we got 13 grams, 16, all the way up to, I want to write it as 3R plus 7. Makes it a bit easier. So what we can see here is it's an arithmetic sequence. So it's 3n plus 7. And the n in this case is R. That's fine. We want to find the mass. Well, the mass will be the sum of them. So it'll be 10 plus 13 plus 16 plus 3R plus 7, all divided by how many there are. That's R. So how are we going to write that? So we're doing the sum, R equals 1 up to R, of 3R plus 7. And then the mean will be the sum of that divided by R. So the sum, I'll do all divided by R, okay. So it'll be R equals 1, R, and we're going to do 3R plus the sum of R equals 1 up to R of 7. So then down here, it'd be 3 lots, is the sum of R, which is half R plus 1, plus 7R. We can see there. So we're going to get, I'll try and clean this up, 3 over 2, R squared plus R plus 7R. And you're going to get 3 over 2 R squared plus 3 over 2 R plus 7R. This bit here becomes 1.5 plus 7. You're going to get 17 over 2. So it's going to be 3 over 2 R squared plus 17 over 2 R. And remember, we have to divide it all by R. So the mean is 3 over 2 R squared plus 17 over 2R all over R, and that equals 3 over 2R plus 17 over 2. And you factor out the half, so we get 3R plus 17, which the question is asking here, 3n plus 17. So we change the R to n, which is fine. Yeah, and we're done. Don't know why I changed it to n, but that's fine. Is there any reason for that? Oh yeah, n marbles, sorry, there we are. So R equals n. So the mean is half 3n plus 17, done. Cool. Okay, we're told there are 17 marbles in the, sorry, not 17, it's 85 marbles, okay. And we want to find the standard deviation of each mass. So we'll go in 10 plus 13 plus 16 plus 19, all the way up to 85. So the last one is 7 plus 3 lots of 85. 7 plus 3 times 85, 260. So I'm going all the way up to 260. Okay. Right, so we want to get a standard deviation. So what we need to do is look up Excel formula booklet for maths. And we're going to find standard deviation down here. So we need to find the formula. Here we are. Right, standard deviation. Right. So let's screenshot that and have a look. Right. Okay, right, there we are. So we know that we've got 85 marbles in the case, and we've got the following. So I'm going to look at the following formula here, there. So the standard deviation is the square root of the sum of every value squared, so 10 squared plus 13 squared plus 16 squared and so on, divided by how many marbles we have, which is 85, minus the mean squared. Okay, so let's just add that in. We know what the mean is. Over 85 minus, what the mean is this here. So when n equals 85, the mean is 3 times 85 plus 17 times 0.5. So 136.5. 136.5 squared. So now we need to work out this bit here. Well, the sum of every number is, what's the fit? It's 3r plus 7. 3r plus 7 squared, and we want to go from 1 to 85. So we're going to focus on this bit here. So it's r to 1 of 85, and we're doing 9r squared plus 42r plus 49. There we are. So it equals 9 r to 1, 85 of r squared, plus 42 r, plus the sum of 49, what's that, 85 times. Okay, I'll just get a bit more space. Back to the formula booklet. I need to get the sum of these series, which is here. Cool. So I'll screenshot that there. Okay, so we're doing the first one r squared, so we're doing 9 lots, and we're doing 1, 6, and then the n is 85, so times 85 times 85 plus 1, 86, times 2 times 85 plus 1, 171. Okay, so this bit here is, I'll type this all in, 1 over 6. Times 85 times 86 is 171 times, oh god, times 9, and get 1875015. Great. So we're going to plus this bit here, well that's going to be 42, and it's just the sum of the numbers, so times half times 85 times 86. So 42 times a half is 21. Times 85 times 86 plus 153,510, and then we want to add 49 85 times, so plus 49 times 85, 49 times 85 plus 4165. So add them all up. Be careful when you're typing this in, 2032690. So now we're going to go back to this sum here. This is our formula for standard deviation. So let's just take care of this now. We're doing the square root 2032690 over 85 minus 136.5 squared. So it's the square root, I'm going to do that divided by 85, minus brackets 136.5 squared, 5281.75, and you get an answer of 72.67. Am I right? That feels like I messed up somewhere. I feel like I messed up. I'm close. 73.6, yeah, I messed up somewhere. Where have I messed up? 2032690 is correct. Divided by 85. The mean, I've messed up the mean. 1 second. Why have I messed that up? 3 times 85 plus 17 times 0.5. The mean's 136. I've messed that up. So let's just fix that here. I messed up the mean. Let's go back to this. That's annoying. 136. Let's just fix that. Cool, great, and we found it there. So minus that, so you get 5418 square root that, and we've got the answer done. So 5418 is 0.5, 73.6. Done. Standard deviation. There you are. Great.